My name is Taylor Byers, and this is my website screencast on the topic of cyberbullying. So for starters, cyberbullying is an online way to bully someone that can be done in several different forms, such as trolling someone online, impersonating someone or pretending to be them through an online account, harassing someone, cyberstalking, or exclusion, such as excluding somebody else from an online group. Even though this form of bullying is online, it can still have some serious effects which may be minor or severe. These effects can include depression or anxiety, isolating themselves from someone else or their loved ones, therapy, suicide, loss of appetite or sleep, or a decline in grades or academic success. So here are some cyberbullying statistics. About half of children or teens have experienced or even engaged in cyberbullying. 1 in 3 younger people have experienced cyber threats online. Less than 1 in 5 cyberbullying incidents are actually reported to law enforcement, and less than 1 in 10 teens tell their parents if they are being cyberbullied. So even though this is a tough form of bullying to sort of catch, since it isn't physical, there are some ways it can be prevented. Educating children at a young age about what bullying is and cyberbullying and why it's wrong helps. Checking in regularly with your loved ones or your friends and family just to see how they're doing. Making sure that support options are available to people and that they know they're available, such as bullying foundations or a trusted member, such as like a school counselor or a trusted family member they can talk to. Being a role model for younger people as someone who is kind or treats others nicely can also help, and monitoring online activity in case you're suspicious about something. Now, there are many resources that are dedicated to raising awareness and helping resources for victims or just education for people. Some of these organizations could be the Stomp Out Bullying organization. The Suicide Prevention Lifeline helps if it gets to that point in the cyberbullying stage, and also the Kind campaign. So some warning signs that your child or whoever may be getting cyberbullied is that they suddenly stop using their device or their social media accounts, a change in mood or emotional state if they're acting different, or maybe not even eating a lot or sleeping a lot, if they withdraw themselves from the family or friends that they have, if they were once passionate about something but now they've suddenly lost interest, or if they suddenly become very private about their online activity. And another warning sign of cyberbullies who are actually doing the cyberbullying, they could be also private about their online activity. They could use multiple accounts or fake accounts, may suddenly have behavioral issues at school or home, and concerned with popularity extremely, like suddenly wants to be very popular, or maybe even gets involved with the wrong crowd, and also insensitive to other people in their age group. Overall, the website will be created with the purpose of education on the topic of cyberbullying, and it will also show the resources that are in place for cyberbullying victims and prevention of the form of bullying and signs to look out for in case someone that you know is being bullied as well.